Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making this amazing creamy white bean chicken chili. It's a delicious mix of southwestern spices, cream cheese, plus our secret ingredients that take this to the next level. If your crew loves chili, this white bean chicken chili is a delicious way to change things up. And if you're heading to the chili cook-off, the cream cheese, cream corn, and frozen corn that we add at the end takes this chili to the finals every time. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and you'll find the entire recipe in the description box below. First, chop one small onion. And if this is your first time on our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives. And we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with your friends and family, like this incredible white chicken chili crockpot recipe. Add the onions to your crockpot or slow cooker, then add 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm using my much-loved garlic press to squeeze my minced garlic directly into the pot. This one's been through the dishwasher so many times. If you've got a garlic press you absolutely love, I'm looking for recommendations. Let me know your favorite. Now let's mix together the spices. We'll need 1 tablespoon of ground chili powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoon of ground oregano, 3/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's give this a good stir to blend everything together. This chili has some good heat to it. If you like your chili spicy, you can kick this up with more chili powder and cayenne in this step. Next, pour in 3 cups of chicken stock. This crockpot chili recipe is so easy to put together, everything is going right into the pot to cook. Then add the spice mixture. Stir everything to combine. Then the can of cream corn. Add the white beans that have been drained and rinsed. And then the drained green chilies. I'm using mild, you can also use hot for a spicier chili. Add the raw chicken breast, making sure that there's enough liquid in our mixture so they are completely covered. Then just cover and cook on high for 4 hours or on low for about 6 hours until the chicken is tender. And if you want to speed this recipe up even more, check out the description box below where I've got instructions to make this on the stovetop in a Dutch oven or large pot. Now that the chicken is tender, we'll remove the chicken from the crock pot and shred it in a separate bowl using 2 forks. You can also cut the chicken into chunks if you prefer. Now we're going to add the softened cream cheese to make this chili even creamier. First, cut the softened cream cheese into cubes and add it to the chili, stirring to incorporate. Thank you for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. Oh, and if you love to entertain, check out our playlist of dessert recipes and potluck favorites. All simple to make, and I guarantee they taste incredible. The cream cheese will begin to melt, and to help any last bits dissolve, use a whisk and gently whisk the mixture until it's smooth and creamy. Add the shredded chicken back into the chili along with about a 1/2 cup of frozen corn, and more if you like. Heat on high for about 15 minutes with the cover off so that the corn is heated through and the chili will thicken a little. To make some quick homemade tortilla strips to top our chili, slice a couple of corn or flour tortillas. A pizza cutter makes this part super fast. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium skillet and fry the tortilla strips until they're crunchy. I like to top my tortilla strips with a squeeze of lime juice and a sprinkle of salt. Now get the bowls ready and serve up this delicious creamy white bean chicken chili with your favorite chili toppings. Our favorites are sour cream, lime wedges, cilantro, avocado, fresh jalapenos or pickled jalapenos, chopped red onions, shredded cheese, homemade tortilla strips, Fritos, or crushed tortilla chips. So many options, and everyone makes theirs different. I hope you enjoyed this white bean chicken chili recipe, whether you're making it for family or going for the gold at that chili cook-off. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you know when we've posted a new recipe. Here's some more great recipes I think you'll like, and I'll see you in the next video.